If you're wanting a lightweight yet powerful electric airless paint sprayer, then perhaps the Graco Ultramax 2 650 PC Pro might just be the sprayer for you. Hi everyone, Darren here again, and this time we're looking at the Graco Ultramax 2 650 PC Pro. Now this sprayer is a lightweight yet extremely powerful for its size electric airless paint sprayer. Now it has two hose connections and it's available in a high boy version and in a low boy version. So let's go through some of the features. It has got an endurance pump, a Pro Connect where you can replace the pump on the job site. It has a smart control which allows the pressure to maintain constant. There's a fast flush which allows you to clean the paint sprayer up to 4 times faster using half the water. The motor and drive on this sprayer has a lifetime warranty. Let's go through some of the specifications. It's a 3 liter per minute delivery rate, which is about 0.8 gallons. It's a max spraying pressure of 227 bar, which is about 3,300 psi. It has a 1.8 horsepower DC brushless motor. Now, because there are 2 connections for 2 hoses, there's a max spray tip size when you're just using one hose of 0.029 inches. And when you connect 2 hoses together, that maximum spray tip size drops down to 0.019 inches. The weight of the high boy version is 34 kilograms, which is about 77 pounds. And these sprayers are available in a 230 volt or a 110 volt version if you're in the UK. So what's included in delivery? Well, firstly you get the new Graco Contractor PC gun with a 517 spray tip and Rack-X holder. You get a 15 meter Blue Max 2 1/4-inch hose. You'll get 3 filters, one in the spray gun and one main filter in the machine, as well as the suction, the intake strainer. You'll also get a TSL liquid, 118 mils, some tools and a manual. So with this lightweight yet powerful airless paint sprayer, you'll be able to spray interior and exterior paints. You'll also be able to spray your adhesives, roof coatings and glazes. So there you have it for an overview of the Graco Ultramax 2 650 PC Pro. If you want to learn more about the sprayer, then comment below or give us a call or fill out a contact form. And as always, have a great spray.